Hello, hello, hello. Azad Mardan is here. I know it's been a while since my last update. You might be wondering what is happening with Node University. Well, I have three good news for you. I have three new courses, and so basically, this is your unique chance to give me your feedback and basically influence how those courses, what would be in those courses, how they would be presented, what material. So I haven't started recording them, but I have the slides, I have the labs. I will give you the links. So there are three links, three repositories on GitHub. You can just go look at the outline, and you can go ahead and start doing the labs as well. It's totally free. It's on GitHub. The courses, they would be part of Node University, so you need to be the member. But for the labs, go ahead. For the code, go ahead, and slides as well. They're all on GitHub. So this is your chance. In the next few days, I will start recording them. And in maybe 2 weeks, you will have the first of the three courses ready. So you might be wondering, like, what are the topics? Just tell me the names. Maybe I'm like, I need them right now. So the first course is called Node in Production. It's been as a page on Node University for a few weeks now. Some of you, I know, waiting for that course, so it's finally going to be ready. I just need to record, as I said. So this is the time for you to go make suggestions. So basically, in Node in Production, there are three parts. First part deals with Node.js. It gives you all the best practices, what you need to do in order to prepare your Node.js code. The second part deals with Docker. So you would be using Docker mostly locally. You would be using Docker file. You would be understanding Docker. So it's for total Docker beginners. Docker is a container technology. It's an amazing tool that you can use for deploying your APIs and microservices. And the third part of that course, I know it's a large course, a lot of good material, very practical, very, very practical. You can start using it in your real life projects. So the third part is AWS. So we'll be using AWS, Amazon Web Services, which is the most popular, the best, the mature, the most used hosting and cloud computing platform. So we'll be using AWS, Amazon Web Services, and we will be using the service called Elastic Compute Cloud. And within that service, you have Elastic Container Services. So we'll be using Container Service, which is a managed service by AWS, to basically host and deploy our Docker containers and they will have Node.js. So that's course number one. Course number two completely focuses on AWS. We will go over all the most important services like EC2, S3, and a few others, like how to create an auto-scaling group, how to create a launch configuration, how to work with different types of images. For total beginners, we'll be using Web Console a lot. There are 5 labs. The labs in itself, they will probably be a book. And right now I'm giving them for free on GitHub. And the third course, it's called AWS Intermediate. So AWS Intermediate will be focusing on mostly DevOps, but also AWS for developers and IT operations. So we'll be automating all those things like creating an EC2 instance, launching an auto-scaling group, completely provisioning infrastructures. We'll be using command line a lot. We'll be using Node.js scripts. We'll be deploying Node.js applications. We will be creating continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines. Great labs. As I've mentioned, the labs itself, I'll probably publish them as a separate book and put it on Amazon.com for $5 or $10 on a Kindle. So go ahead. You have weekend ahead of you. Go ahead. Leave your comment in the GitHub issues, or shoot me an email, or if you see a bug or a typo, just submit your changes via pull request to GitHub. In a few days, my editors and we will start working on actually recording those things and making it to production as video courses. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.